So what you can easily do is use guided frame creators to turn anything into a frame. So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and now I'm going to go around onto the guided section right here. And once I go around under guided, under special edits, you can see frame creator is an option. So now what you can do is you can select portions of the image that you want to remove. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use the quick selection tool right here, and you can use the selection tool right here, as you can see. On the bottom, you get the quick selection tool option, like you can work around with the size right here, as you can see, so that you can make the selection more refined. But right now you can see that this is being selected, and if I don't want it to be selected, then you can go around onto the subtract area and click and drag this out, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here and make a new selection altogether over here as well if you don't want it to be added in later on. You can go around onto the brush and use the brush selection tool right here. You can go around, use magic wand to select out, let's say, for example, different parts of the images. And you can go around onto Polygonal Lasso tool right here, just like this as well. So I'm just going to go around onto the quick selection tool, and then I'm going to go around and click and drag around, let's say, for example, these sections right here, just like this, as you can see. And once that is done, you can go around and click on create frame, and then what happens is that the selection gets removed and it gets turned into a frame. So now you can go around and save this as a frame. So I'm just going to go around and save it as test frame right here. You can rename out the frame right here and save it out for future use. And then what you can do is continue editing in Expert, and now you can drag in or add in a photo right here. So that is how you can use the guided frame creator in order to create a frame inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.